Alright, so Mr. Kenny Harris has showed up with Mr. Eddie. Drove down here and he made us some awesome signs.
Y'all recognize this?
If y'all have not recognized this, we'll throw up a tag right now. Watch the video. That is awesome.
Yeah, some little dipstick put a sign on my truck one time.
You said you needed some signs. I was trying to save you some money, and look at that.
Didn't leave Mama Squirrel out.
So cute.
Check that out.
Love
That's
it.
awesome.
Love it.
Well, thank you.
You're welcome. I want to feature.
What is all of that?
Whole new front end assembly.
Is this because of the wreck at the Red?
It's not really because it's time to start replacing parts just to make sure everything stays right. Because there may be a bend in something that we haven't found or anything like that. And you never know.
And why do we have more brake pads?
Did you see the sparks flying off the right front?
I mean, I guess.
When you're racing with the people we race against, you gotta replace brake pads a lot. Dude's got to put glasses on just to sign his name.
You're gonna know someday.
I hope I never find out.
I hope you do. No.
Wow. That was.
I hope you don't
like,
either.
That was like what Ricky Bobby said to
The
his
camera's
girlfriend.
rolling. I hope you never do either, little buddy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hope you have beautiful, articulate songs. Have a leg.
Don't you bring that evil on me, ain't that what we said?
Yeah. You were not paralyzed. Write it. Yeah. Do something. I don't know. All right. Well, there you go.
Well, so people were wondering why you and I didn't close out our video. I was tired.
Yeah.
I don't know about you.
I was tired, but I was hanging out with old girl.
I was being lazy. But anyway, I thought Mom did a great job
I did
closing
too,
it out.
but people, you know, some people loved it, some hated it. We apologize.
Just
Things
like
to
I
say.
liked Mom closing it out, I like switching it up. I don't
Right.
want all of our videos to be, you know, this. So I'll huh?
I
What?
said we're a family of
We
five.
are, absolutely. Talk, huh?
Yeah.
We're
Yeah.
a family of
Yeah,
five.
why are you hiding behind the camera?
Man,
Because I talked so much on the last
I
one.
have so many people coming up to me that love to see what Ruby's got to say, that love to hear what Riley, her race updates. I love it too.
Yeah.
Had some, I'm going to keep it nice and not say what I think about the person, but
Right, that was
somebody
wrong.
said something totally stupid in the comments about Riley, and I hope that don't shut her down from doing her race report. Because, I mean, it was just, you know, if you got something that stupid to say, go on. Just go on.
I
We
mean,
don't want you
really,
here
yeah.
because you're not a fan anyway.
You're not a part of our family. if you don't.
And I will say this, I mean, I know where we go and race, there's gonna be rivalries and stuff, that's good for racing.
doubt.
If you get on our page and you thumbs down us, do it. You're giving us money, so I
Please.
encourage you.
Please.
Because that means you clicked on our link, and that means we got paid. So we get paid from you, we get paid from the people that are here for the right reason, so bring it on, I love it.
Did you
it's
catch
all
the
good.
thing in the last video that we said about our rivals?
What, I don't know what you're talking about.
They're gonna have to go watch.
Huh?
You know that thing we said
Oh, yeah, at the end?
at the very end?
Yeah. Well, I mentioned it in the beginning, the middle,
Middle
and
and
the end. Yeah.
Did you say it?
Yeah.
Because
Yep.
we said it, but I'm not sure if it made it.
I hope they heard.
I hope they heard it too.
Yeah. Anyway. Okay.
As you were saying.
Take
Yeah,
three.
Yeah. Okay. So the thing that I wanted to mention, we said when we hit 10,000 subscribers that we were going to go with the Patreon. When then we mentioned right as we were about to hit it that we weren't going to do Patreon, we were going to do something else, and it was in the works. Well, we've been working on that behind the scenes, and it is coming. And it's not going to be Patreon, but it's going to be something really similar to that, and we're working out the details on that right now. But it's coming soon. I mean, probably a month
I was
away.
gonna say, we're about a month away
So
from our
getting-
website being
We
launched. You'll be able to.
apologize. It's
It just takes
everything.
time.
Yep.
Honestly, we wasn't expecting to hit that milestone
That
as quickly
quickly.
as we did, so it caught us off guard. We're growing in other aspects on merchandise and trying to keep up with that demand, so, growing pains. It's a good
It's
problem.
awesome.
Good
Yeah, I mean,
problem.
I never would have thought we'd be here.
Yeah,
so,
so-
here we are, and it's a blessing. It really is, but it comes with a lot of
Flack, I guess is the word.
plaque.
Flack,
Plaque.
flack.
Something we do need, while they're,
F-L-A-C-K.
something we do need while y'all are talking about your website is we need to know what is the most comfortable price point for their subscription.
Yeah.
We would love suggestions on that. If you want a $25 subscription, just, a fan donation, and what your preferred price
How
point
many
is.
brackets are we gonna have? in
We're
that?
gonna have three different tiers.
Okay, so
Yeah.
give us 3 price points that you would be interested in.
Yeah.
Merch will be live on the website. You won't have to deal with me anymore. You'll be able to shop all of our merchandise on the website.
It's exciting.
It's very exciting. Yep.
We got a lot of work coming up, getting ready. A lot of people have asked about the street stock. The deal was, once we got the slab poured, we're
Yeah,
bringing
we're
the street
showing
stock
up.
over. Well, we wasn't expecting to total the car out at the Rev and have to totally rebuild it in a whole week to go race this past weekend. That's just part of it. So the street stock, the timer's ticking, and I realize that. But
So-
hopefully within the next week, we'll get the car up here, get it
Get
started
Noah
heading
up
in the
here
right
because
direction.
once it's up here, we got to get Noah up here to do some updates
Yeah.
on it, to do some cleanup on it.
So
and
it is coming. It is still on the books. We are still planning on being at the Street Stock Nationals. We're hoping to have it ready at least a weekend or two before that where we can test it.
Realistically, it needs to be a month before because we're going to be at Humboldt
Yeah.
the week before, and we're going to go to Lucas Oil the next day after Humboldt,
Yeah.
and then haul butt home
We
and
got
go
a
to
lot
the streets.
going on.
Yeah.
So basically, we're not
Awesome.
sleeping.
Yeah, this is what I've dreamed of since
Yeah.
5 years old when teachers
doubt.
were like, "What are you gonna be when you grow up?
What'd you
Race,
tell?
a race car."
What'd they tell you?
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
What are you gonna do for real? Ain't that what they would ask
be
you?
a race car. Oh.
This is a good
So-
time to shout out that
so-
kindergarten teacher that
so-
said you could be a race car
So,
driver.
like NASCAR? No.
No
No.
desire to be in no NASCAR.
I'll run asphalt here and there, but dirt's where I'm gonna be at. We'll make it as high as we can go in dirt, and that'll suit me just fine.
Yeah.
Yes, they are brothers, and that is Uncle Richard Head.
Yeah, the body would be the same color.
Is this work clothes or what?
Same design.
They finally put it up.
He's already arguing.
Already arguing, huh?
Man, y'all
Which
got
one?
after it, yeah.
All right, so Uncle Albert and Uncle Rocky and Chase. I actually caught them all working. Look at all this. Fresh body paint.
Oh, I messed that up.
Yeah, you did. Take it off.
When we get done, we're gonna have 3 bodies complete.
3 brand new bodies?
2 complete brand new bodies and 1 that's good used.
Okay.
And the good used one's going up there because we ain't building no more this year.
That's it.
That's it.
Final answer.
If we tear up 3 of them, we need to just find a new model anyway. Sample it.
You remember that?
Yeah. When we building that next one?
When you're building that right rear that I built off.
Yeah.
Alright, whatever.
Yeah.
Alright, so we did alright on that?
That's ready.
Good scoop, roof cap. Hey, come on, guys, act professional, we're on camera.
Turn that off for a moment.
Right. What you got to say?
Where's my orange thing?
Orange beady thing?
Yeah.
You know you're gonna get in trouble for
Yeah.
being a smart
Yeah,
mouth again, with your bad attitude.
I'm a horrible,
You-
undeserving.
Yeah, and
hungry-
you're not allowed to joke about anything.
No, we gotta be serious.
Who
at
said
all.
that?
Comments on
Somebody
YouTube.
told me that I was very disrespectful and all kinds of stuff.
You want to grill this, mark this
That's
first?
They were unsubscribing. And
I said, well, you know the bunch that I hang out with?
I can't help but
All the way to here, huh?
All right, bring it on.
Cindy's not at the shop.
What you got?
Package came in.
From who?
Chris
Chris.
Stifler, I believe. You're gonna be so excited.
Let me get
I opened it for you. You're good.
oh.
I opened it. The box was a little tore up. UPS is awesome. He packaged it really good, but they still.
Wow. You know what that's for?
Do you know what all this is?
No.
It's power. It's commercial grade power washing stuff.
Oh,
cool.
okay.
Lord have mercy.
That's awesome. Check that out.
Yep. That's right.
You sure you want me to read this?
I do.
Back to New Power Washing LLC, residential, commercial, automotive, and fleet and marine, sent us a commercial grade power washing wand and hose, which is something that we've desperately needed. If you've ever been in dirt track racing, you would understand that it's not the cleanest. So thank you to Mr. Chris Stifler for sending this to us. This is awesome. We're gonna be using it a lot.
I'm gonna read this to you. It
Oh.
probably won't make it in the video because it's a little long, but it's probably the most awesome letter I've ever read.
Let's hear it, Mom.
Holland family. Hey y'all, I'm not sure how to write this, but here it goes. I was once young, climbing the ladder to get to the Indy 500. Long before YouTube, social media, etc., to help a driver out, I had to physically write letters, address, and stamp, and wait for a reply. Man, times have changed. Now there's Patreon and all sorts of ways to raise capital out there. I finally made it to Indy in 1993, only to get rained out and not make orientation. I got there as a 21-year-old, all from my own hard work. My deal fell apart and I never found enough funding to get another shot. Every May, it still stings to see young guys at Indy that should have been me. So in May now, I pick a young driver and try to help him or her out. I have a radio show now and I'm a pro driving coach. This May, I chose Chase to do a good deed for in hopes that God blesses you on your path. It's a way I heal my May wound from so many years ago. The moral of the story is keep working hard like you are, and like your folks tell you, you'll get where you're going. I am from Northeast Ohio, and I own a power washing company now. I noticed in your videos you like to use diesel and gas power washing engines. Well, the good Lord has blessed me in a sense, and I'm in an okay position once in a while to help folks out. I see in your videos that your power washer is using less than ideal parts. Eventually, that stuff will wear out. Now, Chase, I can't write you a check like Mr. Hendrick could. I can't offer you a ride, and I can't do anything close to that as poor as I am. What I can do, since I was at my local power washing store today getting stuff, I decided to send y'all a care package. This package was a little over $250, which isn't much in racing terms, as we all know. What it is, though, is for y'all, a way for y'all to upgrade your power washing equipment to something more professional and durable, and has more versatility to spray soap on that gorgeous motor coach and trailer and clean that muddy race car up a little faster and more efficiently. The pieces are a bit of a puzzle. I hope you enjoy puzzles. The multi-tip is stainless and is called a J-rod. This is in bold. Be careful, as it can seriously cause damage to any surface if not used correctly. Motorhome. Enjoy putting this stuff together. Use Teflon tape. So from a washed up driver who was never big in the 90s, I hope this care package helps y'all keep your stuff looking its best to attract potential future marketing partners to your program. Sorry I couldn't do more, and I didn't race dirt but a few times, so I guess this is all I have to offer y'all to attempt to help out. Call it a bit of a high school graduation present as well. I'm proud of you, Chase. We'll keep the shiny side up, rip the lip, and I pray y'all get to where y'all are going with God's guidance. In his service, Chris Stifler, owner of Back to New Power Washing.
Wow. Mr. Chris, thank you so much for writing that and sending us this. I've made it where I'm trying to go, really, with the things that we're doing, because I've got great sponsors and I've got family. I've got people like y'all that take care of me and provide a way for me to race comfortably. And, you know, when we started this, it was all out of their pockets, every single thing that we did. And it still is coming out from them here and there, but y'all have provided a way for me to be able to race whenever and wherever I would like, and it be paid for. And then y'all send us stuff like this. So thank you so much for sending me this. It's going to be put to use. Hopefully we don't knock the paint off of everything, but that was really awesome. Thank you so much.
Thank you.